Hi class, welcome to your class online. I just wanted to make sure everybody's on the same page and run through everything. This is English 102 and this is section 20, but if you're in section 4 or section 6, it's the same thing. So I just want to kind of run through what we're doing for our online class until April 12th or perhaps even longer. So all the materials will still be found in course materials, and you just click on course materials and scroll all the way down to online class for March 16th through the 27th if you haven't done so already. Please note that March 30th through April 5th is spring break and nothing will be due. So you click on that and you open that, and I have the announcement that I emailed everyone. I posted it here as well. I'm going to read through it real quick, make sure we all are on the same page. So these next 2 weeks before spring break will follow an untraditional format since we have to move all of our in-person classes online. Please note that if you fail to complete any work by the deadline, this is the equivalent of being absent from a class in addition to missing the points from the actual assignment. So first we're going to have a class lesson. You should have already watched The Great Hack on Netflix, and you need to weigh in on the discussion by 11:59 p.m. tonight, Monday, March 16th. If you haven't done so already, please get on that assignment. That was going to be done last week. And then commentary essay, because we had to kind of switch around some classes, we had to cancel Wednesday's class last week and put it for today. Your commentary essay was pushed back a couple of days. I already got some frantic emails around that. So you have a couple more days to view. And so I need the first draft of your commentary essay by 11:59 p.m. Wednesday, March 18th. And your original, the final draft needs to be 5 to 7 pages. So your first draft should be approaching 5 pages. So like 4 pages, 3 is a little bit under. So really try to get to that 4th page if you can for that. Then we'll have peer review. You'll be grouped together with 2 other people on a discussion board. A few of you might have 4 altogether, but most groups are 3. This will be your peer review group for the remainder of the essay. Please let me know if there are any issues with group mates not completing the work. So if nobody has posted their essay and it's Thursday morning, let me know immediately, email me, and then I'll make provisions. Please note that students who consistently underperform will be grouped together, which will make it much more difficult to complete the assignments. In other words, if you don't finish the Great Hack discussion and then you also don't post your essay by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, I'm going to be putting you in a group with other people doing the same, which means you're going to have a lot harder chance of getting a peer to do your assignments and all that stuff. So to avoid this, turn in your work in a timely manner. The peer review of your 2 group mates, you'll be doing 2, 1 for each one. If you are in a group with 4, you'll only still need to do 2. So just pick 2 people that haven't been done enough. And that is going to be due Wednesday next week, March 25th. So you'll have a whole week from the time people post their essays to the time you need to complete the peer reviews. And in group conferences, as previously planned, I will still be giving feedback in a group conference setting. I believe that is a valuable tool to learn from each other's writings in a workshop environment. Therefore, I will be providing my feedback to each of you in the online group discussion. Only you and your 2 other assigned group mates will see my comments. My comments will be posted on Friday, March 27th, after everyone in the group has submitted their peer reviews. I do this to ensure that my comments don't sway your peers' comments. So to recap, here are the due dates at a glance. All work is due by 11:59 p.m. on a due date specified. So Monday, March 16th, participate in the discussion about the Great Hack. Wednesday, March 18th, post the first draft of your commentary essay to your assigned group's discussion. Monday, March 23rd, just continue working on your peer reviews. Nothing is due yet. And then Wednesday, March 25th, post the peer reviews for both group mates, 2 peer reviews in total. And then Friday, March 27th, expect my feedback. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Just a quick online learning tip for those of you that are new to fully online classes. The nature of online classes is that you get to work at your own pace. So I always suggest that you start working at least a day, if not even earlier than that, before the deadline for an assignment. Don't say, oh, it's due on March 16th, so I'll start it on March 16th. That's really not recommended. So here is the class lesson for Monday 3/16, discuss Netflix, The Great Hack. So the movie explores how the data company Cambridge Analytica came to symbolize the dark side of social media in the wake of 2016 US presidential election. If you don't have a subscription to Netflix, you can sign up for a free trial. And then I just want you to post 10 to 15 observations/reactions that you had during the movie. And I suggest that you take notes. Read through others' posts and respond to a minimum of 3 people commenting on their observations. So it's just a discussion, that's it. And then down here is where we're going to do the remainder of the next 2 weeks in. So this is the SA2 module peer review. There's the due dates, 3/18, post the first draft of your SA2 or group's discussion. 3/25, post the peer reviews. Directions for the essay remain the same as it did. Select a microgenre, write a commentary on some aspects of technology, write about 4 to 5 pages for the first draft. And then continue to research your subtopic within technology. Write a rhetorical analysis for any important articles in your research. Remember, 2 analyses total are due by the final due date on April 13th. Any additional rhetorical analysis will earn extra credit. And then this is the directions for the peer review. Review 2 of your group mates' essays, answering the questions below. So just go through. I would suggest that you copy and paste the questions, and then in the discussion, answer each one. And in your own writing, like pick a different font or color or things like that. So to access it, you click in here. And for you, you'll only see one of these. I see all of them because I am the teacher, and it says not enrolled because I'm not enrolled as the teacher, but for you, it won't say that. So you'll click on the link that you'll have, and you'll see who is in your group. In this case, it's these people, but your name should be there. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to access it otherwise. Down here, you'll see all the different group tools that are available, but the only one we're going to be using is Group Discussion Board. We will not use the file exchange to exchange the essays. This is because I can't access it. So you need to do the Group Discussion Board. Click on that, and there's the discussion. And just like anything else, you just create a thread, put your name, essay, browse your computer, attach it, submit it, you're done. Excuse me. And then when you go in there and you respond, you'll just copy and paste the peer review questions, answer them as a discussion. And that's it. And then I'll go in there and do the same for each student. And that's it for the rest of the couple weeks. So hopefully all will go well. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.